Mark with Giant down here. It's beautiful San Diego with Bicycle Warehouse. We're going to show you some just quick tips why to keep your chain lube and why it's important. Why it's important is because the lube on the chain makes everything work smoothly and actually will increase the length of the chain life and the drivetrain life. So if you maintain your drivetrain correctly, you can get more mileage out of it instead of going to buy a new drivetrain every 200 miles. If you're at the trailhead and you need chain lube, it's okay. I mean, even if the chain's dirty, if you have a rag, go ahead and wipe it down and then apply the lube. But if you don't have a rag and it needs lube, just go ahead and lube it, because you can always clean the chain after your ride. Now I have a 4-ounce bottle of chain lube. They do make 2-ounce bottles of chain lube that you can put in your bag and have one almost all the time with you. And my professional opinion, wouldn't say professional, but how I like to apply the chain lube is I like to put it on the inside of the chain as I spin it this way, okay? And why I like to do that is because I feel that as you're spinning it, the centrifugal force takes the lube to the outside of the chain. If you apply it on the top and you spin it, it goes around here and falls off the chain and doesn't penetrate the inside of the chain. So that's why I, in my professional opinion, like to put it on the inside of the chain to get that centrifugal force to force the lube all through the chain. And that's my tip for how to lube a chain. And I keep my chain lubed all the time. I don't lube it every day, but every other or every 3 days I put a little lube on there, because I love a quiet bike. It seems to ride faster. Even though I know I'm not going faster, I think I'm going faster. Anyways, keep some lube and keep your chain lubed.